Hey everybody, we are currently at CVS. I am excited to go in there today. There's a couple deals that I am excited for. I got crap for CRTs. Like, one thing I did is I didn't go shopping last week. I was out of town and I just didn't want to drive over here. But what I did is, like, last night I added everything to my card and all of them expired yesterday. So now they're not doing the whole 7 days. They're just doing the full week, which kind of sucks, but we'll work our way around it. But I do got my free beauty product that I'm going to do, and then there's a couple other deals that I'm excited to get. There might be some clearance that I want to try out. Usually there's somebody who comes and takes everything, and I'm just, whatever. If that's the way it is, that's the way it is. But let's go inside and have some fun. So here we have the Nature Valley for $1.99. These are the soft baked muffins. You can either pay $1.99, otherwise there is a 50-cent off 2 digital deal if you want to do this deal twice. But otherwise it's still a good deal with just the one. So you're going to pay $1.99, but then there is 2 Fetch Reward rebates for 750 points. That's $1.50 each, or that's 75 cents each. So you'll get $1.50 back, making this box just 49 cents. That's like 10 cents a bar. So here we have the Coca-Cola Dream World. These are 2 for $4.50. You're gonna pay $4.50 for it, but then there is a swag bucks deal where you get 500 swag bucks when you purchase the 2 of them, making them both absolutely free, plus a 50-cent moneymaker. So I'm late on the freebie of the month for September, but I am actually going to get these squincy hair ties. I can't decide what one I want, but I like the thicker ones a little bit better because I have thicker hair. But it is the freebie of the month, so I am definitely going to grab those. Here we have the Garnier whole blends. These are on sale this week for 2 for $8. You're going to use that 2 off of 2 instant coupon. You'll pay $6, but then you get a $4 extra care buck back, making them just $2 or $1 each. So here we have the Glucerna snack bars for $6.79. My store is sold out of the other ones, but we're gonna use 2 of these $3 off coupons and pay $7.58. But then when you buy 2 of them, you get a $10 extra care buck, making it a $2.42 moneymaker. So here we have the Colgate mouthwash for $4.49, along with the toothbrushes for $4.49. Now I have a $2 off digital coupon. It's one or the other, but you can mix and match however you want to do. You'll end up using that $2 off coupon and paying $6.98. But here you get a $5 extra care buck back when you buy 2 of them, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. We have the toothpaste this week for 2 for $7.98. This is an okay deal, but you would want to use the 7 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would just get 2 tubes of toothpaste for 98 cents. I have a spend 40, get $8 off, so I'm going to use it towards that deal. So here we have the Revlon Lustrous lipstick for $9.99. And then we have some of the nail polish for $6.29. So I have multiple coupons. I have a $2 off digital. I have a $3 off digital. I also have 3 different buy 2 get 1 free coupons. I have one for the concealer, I have one for the lip, and I have one for the nail. So I'm going to use the lip and the nail. And then I also have a $4 off of 20. I will pay $23.56, but every $12 you spend, you get a $5 extra care bucks. So since it's $48, I'll get $20 back with extra care bucks, making this $3.56 or 59 cents each. Hello everybody, welcome. Sorry, there's like a hair. So I get to the store, right, and the parking lot is filled. Okay, it is 9:09. My store opens at 9 o'clock. I walk in the door and there's a lady flying to the registers. She's got a couple things in her hand and I'm like, okay, you know, whatever. So then I get to the clearance aisle and there's a lady who's got like a whole cart full of stuff. And the only thing I really wanted to get was slippers because my stepdad asked for a pair of slippers every single Christmas and I thought, sweet. So I go to the slippers and this lady's like right on my tail as I'm walking to the thing. And she already has a cart full of stuff. So she's been in this aisle once already. So then I didn't see any of the sizes that I wanted and I kind of just walked away because I'm like, okay, you know. So then she's in the store for like 20 minutes, price scanning everything, and I'm just like, okay, I guess I don't care. Okay, now here's the thing. I love 90% off. I love it. But if somebody wants to grab it before me, go for it. The thing is, for me, I've cut back on buying a lot of stuff on clearance because I just buy it for a video, or I'll just buy it because, and you guys know, and you guys are probably with me, you love it because we save some money. But the thing is, some of that stuff that I buy just sits there and sits there and sits there. And I'm like, why did I buy it? Well, number one, it was cheap, but that's fine. But it's like, if you're going to use it, go for it. But I mean, I see people just hoarding all this stuff. Nothing wrong with it, because some people donate it, some people give it away, some people give it as Christmas presents. But I've just learned that I can't do that stuff because it just sits around, and yeah. So my store was pretty much cleaned up, cleaned over, all that fun stuff. But yeah, so just saying there was my good time at CVS, and I forgot to clip my CRTs. So I go through my CRTs, and I swear I had crap for CRTs, and then like a bunch of them printed. So some of them must have showed up after I looked at my app this morning, but that is okay. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got, and it ended up becoming a moneymaker. So I ended up getting this Nature Valley. I got the soft baked muffin bars. These were $1.99. You'd pay $1.99 for it. But there's two 750 point rebates with or whatever back with Fetch Rewards. That's 75 cents back, so you get $1.50 back with Ibotta, making this just 49 cents. 49 cents for this, which is a great deal. Then I also got the box is slit open on the bottom. I ended up getting the Glucerna snack bars. I usually just give these away. But these were $6.79. I used two $3 off insert coupons, and then you would pay $7.58. Then you get a $10 extra care buck back. You get a $10 extra care buck, making this a $2.42 moneymaker. So these are the winner of the day. I ended up getting some scrunchies for my hair. I actually kind of really like these ones. These were the freebie of the month. I think these were like $3.19. The other ones were more expensive, but I like the black ones. I could care less about having the fancy little things on here, but I got these free. I love it. I love it. I love it. I ended up getting the Dream World drinks. My husband said, I don't know if he's tried them yet, but he said they're kind of wonky. And I'm like, well, Graham, we're still going to get them because they're free. So these were two for $4.50. You would pay $4.50 for it, but then you get 500 points when swag bucks when you purchase the two. When I submitted my receipt, it said I didn't do the deal, and I did have to review it. So I will have to fight it with them on it. But if I were you guys, I would suggest paying this with a separate transaction. And don't pay with any rewards or anything. Just kind of just do it on its own. But those come out to be a 50-cent moneymaker. I also got the Colgate Toothpaste. These were two for $7.98. I used that 7 off a 2-digit coupon, making these just 98 cents. So we got that. And then I also got the Colgate mouthwash and toothbrush. These were $4.49. I used that $2 off digital coupon. I totally did not write the price down. You would pay like, I think $6.98, I think, for this. But then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it $1.98 or 99 cents each. So that is a pretty great deal. I also got the Garnier Whole Blends. These were two for $8. You want to use that $2 off digital coupon. You would pay $6 for it, but then you get a $4 extra care buck back, making these for $2 or $1 each, which is a great deal. And then I did the makeup deal. Now, I did all that in one transaction, and then I did the Revlon deal in a separate transaction. So I bought 3 of the Revlon nail polish for $6.29, and I bought 3 of the lipstick. I bought one that said Vampire Love. I love it. I love vampires. Okay. But anyways, these were $9.99. I had a $2 off digital. I had a $3 off digital. I had a 4 off of 20 digital. And I had 2 different buy 2 get 1 free coupons. So I used that. The reason why I did this in a separate transaction is because it was just a big deal. And I had that 8 off of 40 that I used towards that other purchase. So, we got that. But anyways, for 6 of these, you would pay $23.56. It actually came out to be that price at the register. I'm like, sweet, I did my math correctly. But every $12 you spend, you get a $5 extra care buck back. So I got 20 bucks back, making these $3.56 or 59 cents each, which I think is a great deal. So I was pretty excited for that. So that was my haul for CVS. I really wanted to get like one of the summer things, but I just never got a chance to get it. And you know what? That's fine, because my thing is, if it's still there when I get there, then it's meant for me. But that is okay. Most of my store just had was the slippers, and then lawn chairs, a couple fans, and like a cooler and lunch boxes, and I don't need any of that stuff anyway. So my total came to $1.56 for everything. I did end up using $41 worth of extra care bucks back, but I did receive $39 back, so I was happy with that. I did get, or I will be getting $5 back with swag bucks when I fight them on that. And then with Fetch Rewards, I received 1,535 points, which is $1.53, making my grand total for everything that I got $2.97. I got everything for free, and I made a profit, which I am pretty excited about. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.